Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn with clause in SQL. It is also known as CTE, which stands for Common Table Expression. So CTE helps us to break down complex query into simple and clean query. So first we will see what is CTE. CTE starts with keyword, and so CTE is a temporary named result, and we define CTE using with keyword, and it exists only during the execution of query. And we can use CTE in select, insert, update, delete query. So we'll see one example. Let's take a simple example. We want to find out employees who are earning more than 50,000. So here we can use CTE to find out employees who are earning more than 50,000. So CTE start with keyword. Then we can give name to CTE, high salary, as, and in brackets we can give our query. Select star from employee where salary is greater than 50,000. And we can select star from high salary. So here we can see CTE always start with keyword, and our CTE name is high salary. Then after as, in bracket, whatever result we want from this CTE, we will add that query here, and then we will select from our CTE. So if we will execute this, we will get employees who are earning more than 50,000 with the help of CTE. So CTE looks like a named temporary table. Here we can see like it is storing data like a temporary table, and after that we are fetching data from CTE like we fetch data from temporary table. And if I will try to execute it independently, then I will get error because it only exists for duration of the main query. If I will execute both the query at same time, then it will give me expected result. So we can use CTE with aggregate functions as well. If I will write an example, employee earning above average. So if you want to find out employee earning above average salary, then we can use CTE here as well. With salary states as CTE, we will select average salary as average salary from employee. And in query we will select star from employee, comma, salary states where salary is greater than average salary. Here in salary states we are calculating average of salary column from employee table. Then we are selecting data from employee and salary states, which is our CTE, and we are applying condition that salary is greater than average salary. So this will give us employees who are earning above average salary. If we will execute this, we will get our expected result. So these are two employees who are earning more than average salary of our employee table. So what are benefits of using CTEs? It improves readability, it makes our complex queries simple, and we can reference the CTE multiple times, and it also supports recursion for advanced use case. So this is for today's video. If you like this video, do like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.